The traffic increase every year and duplicate every year. And also we need an efficient operational where we have a lot of capacity, a lot of service in the network, so we need to be able to scale also this bandwidth. So it is necessary to have a network that is able to scale and easy to maintain. Our main goal, main word is simplicity. To have a simple network that can help us to increase the bandwidth, at the same time to the operation must be easy. So this is the reason why we decided to install a new complete flexible optical network. We started to install this flexible optical network last year in July, and we ended the installation at the end of October. Starting from the time we deliver, for example, 100 gig solution from Sicily to Milano using ASON. The ASON permit to us to sell different service level agreement. We can sell unprotected service plus restoration, protected service plus restoration. So this can help us and our customer to have a better customer experience. So this was the first topic. We were able also to deliver this service without performing any regeneration from the south of Sicily to the north of Sicily. And this network permit to us to deliver the traffic, the internet traffic that arrive from Middle East and across this through the Italy up to the north of Europe. Okay. And this was the first step. Starting from this, in general, we started to build a new 200 gig network over this existing infrastructure together with Huawei, and also we tested both the 200 gig link between Milan and Rome with ASON, and this can help us also to scale with bandwidth and help us to have more flexibility also, and also in thinking in the future for bandwidth on demand. We need a network that is able to scale and easy to maintain. The next step will be also to evolve through an SDN network. So in order to manage these services as bandwidth on demand, manage the latency, schedule bandwidth, and helping Fastweb and our customer to have a good experience. At the same time, we need to our operation must be simple, must be easy. The network must be simple and easy to maintain, and I think that the automation and prediction can help us to go in this direction. So I think that the cooperation with Huawei will permit us to reach this goal. We performed an RFI RFQ last year, and we analyze the feature, and also we perform a proof of concept. And what there is in the proof of concept is what there is right in the answer. So we think that Huawei was and he is a trusted partner. Huawei is helping us to have a very good stable network. So we choose Huawei because it's a trusted partner, because they have end-to-end service solution, starting from customer CPE to the core, to the backbone, and so on. We can sell different kinds of services, not only point-to-point, but also layer 2 services, and also in the future we are studying with Huawei the replacement of some SDH area.